We know the methods of solving simultaneous equation by equating the coefficient method or substitution method. Today we have to see the another method of solving simultaneous equation by graphical method. How we solve such type of examples we have to see here. Let us take we have to one of the example that will be we have to solve by graphical method. That graphical method today we have to see here. Equations are 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and another equation becomes 2x plus y is equal to 8. We have to solve these two simultaneous equations by graphical method. For this purpose, we have to obtain first coordinates for these two simultaneous equations. Therefore, we have to convert these two equations is as like this. See here the first equation. In this case, we have to take 3x to the right side of that equality. Then it becomes minus y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. Because 3x, when we have to take right side of that equality, then its sign will be changes. Similarly, minus 2 is also converted into plus 2. But we have to take here plus sign. Therefore, we have to multiply both sides by minus. Therefore, it becomes plus y. It becomes plus 3x and it becomes minus 2. See here. Therefore, y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now, we have to form a table for this one. And we have to put values of x in the table first. Whatever you take values of x and then you find out values of y. Therefore, we have to form a table first. See here, that table will be as like this. Okay, means we have to taken here three values of x that will be 1, 2 and 3. Because we have to put these values in this equation, we can easily calculate value of y. That's why we have to put here values of x. Okay. First we have to put value of x that will be 1. How we solve that one? We have to see here. Let x is equal to 1. We have to take now this equation. For finding out value of y, this equation is conversion of this one. Therefore, both the equations are same. Okay. See here, y is equal to 3x minus 2. In place of x, we have to put 1. Therefore, y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2. Okay. This multiplication procedure we have to do first. Therefore, it becomes y is equal to 3 minus 2. Okay. Different signs are there once again. Sign of larger number and its difference will be 3 minus 2 means 1 and sign of larger number is 1. Therefore, we get here value y is equal to 1. That is the first value for that one. Means when x is equal to 1, at that time y is also 1. Therefore, we have to write the coordinates here 1, 1. Okay. Now, we have to go ahead. Now, we have to take x is equal to 2. See here, we have to take here x is equal to 2. Now, we have to take that equation once again, y is equal to 3x minus 2. In place of x, we have to write 2 now. Then it becomes y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2. We have to do multiplication first. Y is equal to 3 to the 6 minus 2. Yes, its sign will be plus. Now signs are again different, sign of larger number, and find out difference between these two. Difference will be 4. See here, plus 4. Okay, this is the value of y when we have to taken x is equal to 2, at that time y is equal to 4. Once again we have to write here table, x is equal to 2, at that time y is equal to 4. Coordinates are 2 and 4. Now we have to take x is equal to 3 now. See here once again. Let x is equal to 3. Now we have to take on that equation. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. In place of x, we have to write 3. Once again, it becomes y is equal to 3 into 3 minus 2. Its multiplication becomes 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 2. Different signs once again. 9 minus 2 means we get here 7. Yes, plus 7. This is the value of y when x is equal to 3, at that time y is equal to 7. Once again we have to put that value here. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Coordinates are, first we have to write x coordinate and then y coordinate. Okay, this is the first table. Now we have to go towards the next equation. Next equation is 2x minus y is equal to 8. In this equation, we have to take 2x to the right side of that equality. Okay, see here. Therefore, y is equal to, here plus 2x, then it becomes minus 2x plus 8. We have to form here table and put the values of x first, because we have to find out value of y, because its coefficient will be 1 and x coefficient will be minus 2. That's why we have to put the values of x first. Yes, here see values of x 1, 2 and 3. Once again I want to take these three values and I want to solve this equation by putting x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Firstly, we have to take value of x, that is 1. Okay, yes, here let x is equal to 1. We have to write that equation. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. In place of x we have to write 1. Then it becomes y is equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 8. Its multiplication will be minus 2 plus 8. Therefore, it becomes minus 2 plus 8. Again here different signs are there. Sign of larger number, that is plus, and difference will be 6. Sign plus, difference will be 6. Therefore, we got here value y is equal to 6. Therefore, we have to write that value when x is equal to 1, at that time y is equal to, we got here 6. Coordinate becomes 1 and 6. Secondly, we have to take x is equal to now 2. Same procedure. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. In place of x, we have to write 2. Therefore, it becomes y is equal to minus 2 into 2 plus 8. Its multiplication will be minus 4, means minus 4 plus 8. Okay, different signs are there. Sign of larger number, and find out the difference between these two, and difference between these two is 4, means plus 4 is the answer. Okay, means x is equal to 2. At that time we get here y is equal to 4. Again we have to write that value in this table. When x is equal to 2, we got y is equal to 4. Coordinate becomes 2 and 4. Now we have to take x is equal to 3. See here, x is equal to 3. We have to take that equation once again. y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. In place of x, we have to write 3. Then it becomes minus 2 into 3 plus 8. Okay, this multiplication will be minus 3 to the 6. Okay, minus 6 plus 8. Different signs once again. Sign of larger number and difference will be 2. Means plus 2 is the answer. Okay, plus 2. Therefore, when we have to take on x is equal to 3, at that time we get y is equal to 2. We have to write that answer will be in that table. When x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 2. Means coordinate is 3 and 2. Okay, these are the coordinates for these two equations. Now we have to draw a graph of first equation, and on that graph we have to show these 3 points. We have to take minimum 3 points. Okay, and then we have to show these 3 points, and we have to draw a line which is passing through these 3 points. That is the graph of the line 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, now we have to go towards the graph. See here this graph. These two are the perpendicular lines. This line is said to be x dash axis, and another that is perpendicular to x axis, that will be y dash axis. Okay, we have to write the points on that line where both the lines intersect each other. At that point we have to write 0. We know that on the line to the right side of the 0 positive numbers are there, and to the left side of the 0 negative numbers are there, are shown as like this one. Similarly, on the y-axis, on the upward direction we have to take positive numbers, and downward direction we have to take negative numbers. Okay, now see here, we have to now show scale to this graph, because that is important. If you not shown scale to the right corner of that graph, then your graph will be 0 marked graph. It is important, your scale is very important. On this graph we have to take on 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That will be written here. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is the scale on both the axes. On both axes we have to write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now we have to plot the points on this graph. We know, see here, for the first table 1 1 2 4 and 3 7, these are the 3 points we have to plot here first. Okay, first point is 1 1. 1 1 means on the x-axis 1 here, on the y-axis 1 here. Both the points intersect here. Therefore, we have to dark that point. That will be 1 1. Second point will be 2 4. On the x-axis 2 is here, on the y-axis 4 is here. Both the points intersects here. Therefore, we have to take on that point here. Okay. Third point, 3 7. On the x-axis, first is the x coordinate, second is the y coordinate. Therefore, 3 is here, and 7 is here. Okay, 3 is here and 7 is here. Intersection of these two will be here. Means this is the third point. Okay, now we have to draw a line which is passing from these 3 points. Therefore, we have to take scale here. See here, we have to draw a line which is passing through these 3 points. Okay, we have to show arrow to the both side. Okay, now we have to write the coordinates here. 1 1, here 2 4, and here 3 7. This is the equation 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to write that equation here. 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to go towards another table. In this case, there are 1 6, 2 4 and 3 2 are the 3 coordinates. We have to plot these 3 points on this graph also. First is 1 6. On x-axis 1 is here, y-axis 6 is here. Intersection of these two will be here. That is 1 6. Okay. Secondly, 2 4. X-axis 2, y-axis 4. This is the same point which is on the first line also. And third, that is 3 7. 3 7. Sorry, 3 and 2. 3 and 2. That is here. Okay, now we have to draw a line which is passing through these 3 points. And show the arrow to the both sides. Okay, both the lines intersect at this point. We have to give the name A. Okay, we have to write coordinates also. This is 3 2 and first one is 1 6. We have to write the equation. It's also that equation means 2x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, now see here, where both the lines intersect each other, we have to draw a perpendicular from this point to the both the axes. That is the dotted line. Yes, means in this case solution of these two lines will be 2 and 4 because both the lines intersects at 2 4. Therefore, this is the solution of these two simultaneous equation by graphical method. We have to write that answer also on the answer sheet. Okay, see here, graph of lines 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 0 intersect at A in bracket 2 and 4. Therefore, solution of given lines is x comma y. It becomes value of x is 2 and value of y is 4. Means this is the final answer for these two simultaneous equation. Or we have to write here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 is the solution of these two simultaneous equation by graphical method. Okay. Yes. Now see another example for this one. Suppose such type of equation is there. 3x minus 2y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 1. This is simple one. But in this case, coefficient of x and coefficient of y, they are given to us. For this one, we have to go ahead as like this. 3x is equal to, we have to take 2x to the right side of that equality, then it becomes minus 2y. We have to take 3 to the right side also. Therefore, it comes in the division place. X is equal to 12 minus 2y upon 3. Means we have to divide 3 to the 12 also and 3 to the 2y also. Therefore, it becomes x is equal to 12 upon 3 minus 2y upon 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Therefore, that equation becomes x is equal to 4 minus 2 upon 3y. 2 upon 3y. Means in the table we have to take values which are divisible by 3. Values of y we have to take in that table that will be divisible by 3. Means we have to write the values which are multiples of 3. Therefore, in the table we have to written here values of y. We have to calculate value of x. Therefore, that is empty. Values of y 3, minus 3 and 6 because both the values are divisible by 3. We have to take one of the example. See here, negative value we have to take y is equal to minus 3. Okay, see here, x is equal to 4 minus 2 upon 3y. This is the equation. We have to put y is equal to minus 3 here. Okay, it means x is equal to 4 minus 2 upon 3 into minus 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Therefore, it becomes x is equal to 4 minus 2 into here minus 1. Finally, minus into minus plus. It means x is equal to 4 plus 2 and x is equal to 6 is the value. Therefore, we have to written here and coordinates becomes 6 and minus 3. Similarly, you can calculate values of x here and here also. That is as like this. Okay. Second table, x minus y is equal to 1. You convert it as like this. X is equal to 1 plus y. You put values of y. 1, 2, 3. Whatever you take. I want to take these 3 and calculate values of x and draw the graph for these two lines and find out the answer by graphical method. That is important. Okay, that's all.